I'll cut straight to the chase. Those that are looking for a small holding, having a farm life, including having the urban life, no better place, probably one of the most well-kept places I have seen. It is family orientated here in Margate by the country club, respectable neighbors, and so much potential. It is so well kept. If you don't believe me, take a look at the video. If you are interested in a freehold small holding, then please be sure to inquire. This isn't a house just to come and look for the sake of looking. If this is what you are looking for, then please give us a call. Also, if you are watching this video through another agency, ask that agent what is their commission, because I charge 4%. Take care, guys.